Energy is essential for life. It breathes in everyday life. It continuously grows and develops towards a better change in all life aspects. A wise consumption from energy management is our responsibility and legacy toward existence of the upcoming generations. With a spirit to serve the nation, Reswara Minergi Hartama, as a part of ABM Group, commit to produces the best and reliable source of energy to ensure human living. Starting from Aceh and Kalimantan, with the best quality of energy resources, Reswara, as an integrated mining company that is supported by ABM Group entities, strive to be more excellent and reliable in every supply chain sequences. A solid synergy make Reswara grow sustainably in achieving its vision and mission. A commitment to fulfill the customer satisfaction. It reflects in our core value, Icepat. Integrity. With integrity, Reswara enforces the highest ethical and moral standard, demonstrating honesty and fairness in every company field and operational activities. Continuous development. We are committed to continuously developing in every steps that we take. Extends the periodic improvement and recondition for all our operation line. Excellence. A recognition for the multi-level awards and certification proves our commitment to achieve the highest standards of result. Proactive. We pursue and adopt new techniques and approaches to improve our business quality in safety and health system. Thus, we can maintain the operational continuity, especially the human resources. For us, occupational health and safety are the most important things. Accountability. We are also responsible to all of our stakeholders for every action that we take. Teamwork. We do believe that every goal can only be achieved through a solid teamwork with communication among every members of Reswara Group, including the stakeholders. By being a part of the community and nation society in achieving our common goal, Reswara will grow sustainably with comprehensive experiences, solid supports, and strong synergies among Reswara Group entities. PT Tunas Inti Abadi, PT Media Jaya Bersama, PT Mifa Bersaudara, and PT Bara Energi Lestari. We do not simply sell a product. It is far beyond. With us, we ensure business certainty and comfort with more added values for all stakeholders. Because we believe energy has always been created to preserve life of all generations. Reswara, we deliver values beyond product.